Born Eraser here. I just found this article that I'd like to share with you guys. FDA approves first coronavirus drug may help recovery. Oh, wait, hold on. Remember, Cuomo said he wouldn't trust FDA approved drug, right? Isn't that what he said? Okay, let's go on. U.S. regulators on Thursday approved the first drug to treat COVID, remdesivir, an antiviral medicine given through an IV for patients needing hospitalization. The drug, which California-based Gilead Science Incorporation, wow, who funds that? Soros? Is calling Veklury cut the time to recovery by 5 days, from 15 days to 10 on average, in a large study led by the U.S. National Institutes of Health. It had been authorized for us on an emergency basis since spring, and now becomes the first drug to win full Food and Drug Administration approval for treating COVID. President Trump received it when he was sickened earlier this month. Veklury is approved for people at least 12 years old and weighing at least 88 pounds who need hospitalization for their COVID infection. Right there again. They're targeting kids. This whole thing makes me sick. For patients younger than 12, the FDA will still allow the drug's use in certain cases under its previous emergency authorization. The drug works by inhibiting a substance the virus uses to make copies of itself. Certain tests are required before starting patient on it, and the label warning against using it with the malaria drug hydroxychloroquine because that can curb its effectiveness. We now have enough knowledge and a growing set of tools to help fight COVID. Gilead's chief medical officer, Dr. Merdad Parsi, said in a statement, the drug is either approved or has temporary authorization in about 50 countries, he noted. Its price has been controversial given that no studies have found it improves survival last week. A large study led by the World Health Organization found the drug did not help hospitalized COVID patients, but that study did not include a placebo group and was less rigorous than previous ones that found a benefit. The lead charges $2,340 for a typical treatment course for people covered by government health programs in the United States and other developed countries, and $3,120 for patients with private insurance. Wow. It's all about money, and much more agenda behind it. The amount that patients pay out of pocket depends on insurance, income, and other factors. Only one treatment, steroids such as dexamethasone, has been shown so far to cut the risk of dying of COVID. The FDA also has given emergency authorization to using the blood of survivors, and 2 companies are currently seeking similar authorization for experimental antibody drugs. So, yeah, there you have it. And then, people need to wake up, man. Trump, I'm sorry, but neither one of them candidates are for us. We need to we don't need the government. We don't. People are too dependent on getting government fund. They're too worried about getting this and getting that and getting this through government fundings. We are stuck choosing between two of the lesser evils. If Trump was for us, why isn't Hillary locked up? Why is he pushing all these drug manufacturers for this COVID shit? Why is he not stopping some of these protests? Why? And Biden, he's not for us either. He's worse